Hello friend, good morning. So today we discuss next question. Okay. Before discuss, I request one thing. Please share this video. Doesn't matter you subscribe or not, but share because we have people. So help one another. Okay. So must share. Eighth class student. So now we discuss 3.4 next question. Next question what say? Just wait. Okay. So next question what say? 3.4 question number 3.4 question number D. Yes. Okay. So question number 3.4 question number D. All square are not parallelogram. So here says R question number D. R square are not parallelogram. That is true or false? Says true or false. So what we'll do first? Make by understand. Okay. For understand, we must make figure. Doesn't matter you make in your notebook or not, but you write reason why is true, why is false. Okay. So here I make square and parallelogram. So here is square and here is parallelogram. Okay. So what's a parallelogram property? We saw only who's given last. Okay. So what's a parallelogram property? Satisfaction of square and not. So in parallelogram says opposite side have equal. Okay. Opposite side have equal. In square we saw all side have equal. Okay. That means in parallelogram says opposite side have equal. In square all side have equal. That's the all square have parallelogram. Must parallelogram. Okay. So here who says not? So for this it's false statement. Okay. False statement. False. Okay. Only written false. Reason you written because in parallelogram opposite side have equal. Okay. That means this side equal. Whose exist in square. Square have all side have equal. All side have. Okay. So here we can say square have all side have equal. And parallelogram opposite side have equal. So for this that must all square have parallelogram. We cannot say कि all square have not parallelogram. Okay. Vice versa is not true. Vice versa we can say that all parallelogram is not square. So that is true. Okay. But here all square have parallelogram. So first write. Okay, so now we discuss next question. Question number E. So here its statement is false. So what's the question E? Question number E says all kites are rhombus. Say E say all kite all kites are rhombus. We know that ki rhombus shape in kite, but it's not mandatory that all kites have rhombus. Why? So here understand reason. Okay. So first make a kite figure. Okay. So we know that kite figure is like this. Okay. So rhombus is also like this. Okay. So in kite we shall doesn't matter side have equal or not. That means this side equal or this side equal both. So in kite we can say that opposite side have equal. Okay. But rhombus property says all side have equal in rhombus. Okay. So here what we written, that is statement, that means false, because in rhombus all side have equal. In kite given doesn't matter to all side have equal or not. It can make only by two side have equal also. So here what we written, so statement is false. Why? Because in rhombus, okay, rhombus property written, rhombus all side have equal, but in kite it's not mandatory. It's not mandatory. Okay. So here we written reason, because kite make R2 side have parallel. Okay. So but rhombus always says both side have equal. So here reason written. Okay. You not make this figure in your copy. Only write reason. Why is true? Why is false? So first write. Okay, now we solve F question. What's F? Here discuss one by one. So please you do one thing, help one another. Okay, I always want one. We are people, so help one another. So you share this video. So here F question says all rhombus are kites. F question says all rhombus. Vice versa ask here. Okay, all rhombus are kites. So in previous question says all kites have rhombus, but here says all rhombus are kites. So it's true. Okay, why? First make rhombus figure. Okay, kite figure. So here we can say it's also shape of kite. Okay, doesn't matter side have equal or not. So in rhombus make all side have equal. This property of rhombus. In kite shape not any property says like all side have equal or not. It's make always opposite side have also equal. So here we can written yes, true. That means true, because rhombus always in kite shape. Okay, so that is reason. So it's not big reason. Okay, so only we can write only true, because rhombus make always kite shape. So first write, then understand next question. So yes, G question, all parallelogram are trapezium. We discuss here one question. Okay, one by one all question, not any leave any question. Okay, so here you understand all question here from your book, last 8 NCERT. So here understand next question is G, all parallelogram are trapezium. All parallelogram or trapezium. So what we do? First make figure. By figure, why I make figure? For your understanding. Okay, it's not mandatory. You make or not, first understanding. Parallelogram figure make. And here we make trapezium. So we can easily say here in parallelogram both opposite side have equal. Okay. So in trapezium also says the opposite side have parallel. So we can write here. Okay. So opposite side have parallel. So that's exist in parallelogram. So here written true. Why true? So why true? Because in parallelogram opposite side have equal. Opposite side have equal. And trapezium and in trapezium it also one side have parallel. Who is existing parallelogram. So for this its statement is true. Okay. So now you understand one by one all thing. Okay. So first write, then understand next question. Yes. Okay, so now you understand next question. H. What's the H? H is all square or trapezium? It's also true. Why? So understand it. So here says all square or trapezium. All square. So what we write? First make figure. By figure you understand. So it's square, it's figure of trapezium. So in trapezium only says one side have parallel. Okay, which exists in square, because in square all sides have equal. So what we written? True. Because in square four sides have equal. Four sides have equal. Okay. In trapezium one side have parallel. One side have parallel. Which exists in square. So for this statement is true. Okay. So you can write this reason. So first write, then understand next question. So you solve all question, okay? But you know property one by one, which I discussed in previous video. One by one all property discussed. Okay, quadrilateral, square, rectangle, rhombus, all property we discussed in previous video. So first you understand property, then you solve question. It makes easy for you. Hello. So I remove here, okay? Make second question. Second question say identify all the quadrilaterals that have. So here what written? Second question says identify all quadrilaterals that have. So what we write? So says four sides have equal length. First question say four sides have equal length. So we know very easily. First make equal size length figure. So here you can write this, you can make this. Okay, so it's figure of square. Okay, it's figure of rhombus. Here you can make figure in your copy. Okay, here two sides have equal one another, like this side have equal to this side. Okay, so it's a figure of rectangle. So only two quadrilateral have whose all side have equal, whose quadrilateral square and rhombus. Okay, not rectangle or parallelogram, because it's have only two side have equal. Here all four side have equal, so only two quadrilateral, that is square and rhombus. Okay, so you can write in your copy, first make a figure, then you write name whose quadrilateral have equal length, all side have equal length. So write now we write next question. Next question say four right angle, we say four right angle, that means straight line. Okay, so what we write here, first make figure, so straight line. That means always make 90 degree. Here 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree. Here always also make 90 degree, 90 degree. Okay, 90 degree and 90 degree. So whose figure we saw? Square and rectangle. Square and rectangle. Rectangle. Okay. Not make rhombus or parallelogram, because it not make 90 degree. Okay. So here greater than 90 degree or less than 90 degree. In parallelogram also we can say. So here only two quadrilateral have which have four right angle, that is square and rectangle. Okay, so first make your figure, then you write name. So square and rectangle, that is four angle have four right angle. So next question is third. First write, then understand. And now we understand third question. What's the third question? Third question says explain how a square is. Okay, so explain how a square is. So what say? First a make quadrilateral. A quadrilateral. How is square a quadrilateral? So for this you say one reason. How is square is a quadrilateral. So quadrilateral property. What have quadrilateral property? In quadrilateral property there are four sides. Okay. So in quadrilateral, so here written in quadrilateral there have four sides. Okay, four sides. In square also have four sides. For this reason, square is a quadrilateral. Okay, so we know very easily quadrilateral property है which have four sided. In square have also four sided. So we can easily say square have a quadrilateral. Okay, so you can write reason in your copy like this. So write first, then understand second question. So second question what say? Second question say a parallelogram. How a square is a parallelogram? Okay, so here write a parallelogram. How we can say that a square is a parallelogram? So in parallelogram we understand. In parallelogram what we understand? In parallelogram what we saw? Yeah. In parallelogram what we written? In parallelogram opposite side have equal. In parallelogram opposite side have equal. Opposite side have equal. Which also in square. Because in square yeah, okay, which also have equal, which also exist in square. You cannot write this, which also exist in square. So far a parallelogram is parallelogram. A square is parallelogram. So for this, so for a square is parallelogram. Okay, so you can write this reason for parallelogram, because in parallelogram opposite side have equal. In square also have opposite side equal, or we can say that four side have equal. So for this exist in parallelogram. Okay, so now we write next question. First write, then understand next third. So now understand next question. Okay, that is third question. So what's the third question? How a square is rhombus. So here written how a square is rhombus. So here written a rhombus. So what reason we say a rhombus is a square? So what reason? In rhombus there are four side have equal. Four side have equal, which also exist in square. Which also exist in square. So for a rhombus is, so for a square is rhombus. Okay, so for a square is rhombus. Okay, so you can write this reason. So last is a rectangle. Okay, so we can understand how is square a rectangle. So here written a rectangle. Okay, so how we say a square is a rectangle? So in rectangle all angle have right angle. Okay, all angle have right angle. you can say in bracket that is 90 degree. Right angle in square have also, in square have also right angle, all side have right angle. So for a square is rectangle. So you can write this region. Okay, so one by one we discuss all question. So first write, then understand next question. Okay, so now we understand next question. Okay. Next question what say? Name a quadrilateral whose diagonals. Okay, whose diagonals. For diagonal we understand whose quadrilateral. So here written first is bisect each other. Okay, fourth says bisect each other. Bisect each other. So here written first it says bisect each other. Bisect each other. So in quadrilateral we understand in property that all have quadrilateral bisect. There are diagonal have bisect each other. So we understand one by one. That is square. That is rhombus. This is parallelogram. This is rectangle. So in all figure we can say diagonal have bisect each other. Okay, that is point 2. So here is point 2. So here is point 2. So we can say in our quadrilateral there have diagonal have bisect one another. Like if we given name A, B, C, D, that means O is equals to OC, OB is equals to OD, which follow in our quadrilateral. So we can write here in whose square name, only written name, square, rectangle, rhombus and parallelogram. Okay, so all quadrilateral have exist, diagonal have bisect each other. Okay, so write name. So second question ask are perpendicular bisect of each other. So here written are perpendicular, are perpendicular bisect each other. Okay, so we know that by property only two quadrilateral have perpendicular bisect each other. Whose quadrilateral? That is square and rectangle. That is square and rectangle. Okay, that's a make a perpendicular bisect each other. Okay, okay. So here we can write here two names. So two name is square and rectangle. Square and rectangle. Two side have, two quadrilateral have make perpendicular bisect each other. Their diagonal bisect each other perpendicularly. So third is R equal. So third is say R equal. R equal. Here say R equal. So what we need to write here? R equal. Okay. So what we write here? R equal, that is square and rectangle. Okay. So here you can say square and rectangle, their diagonal are equal. Okay, you can write here diagonal are equal. So what we write here? Only two square and rectangle. Two have quadrilateral which diagonal are equal. So you can write by you can write who is asking question. Okay, after name you can write this. Doesn't matter you write or not, but you understand those things. So now we discuss fourth question complete. Okay. So in second question, are perpendicular bisect each other. Okay. So that is rhombus also are perpendicular. No, only rectangle, only square and rectangle, not rhombus. So first write. Okay. So we'll discuss here only. Okay. So next question we'll discuss in next video. Okay. So I request you share this video. Okay. Help those students who's not afford any coaching. So thank you for watching.